vegan baked egg rolls with a mustard dipping sauce. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with our cast iron. Got a little sesame oil. We're going to add a whole onion that we just sliced up. We're going to add, you know me, my bagged coleslaw mix because I can't help myself. And we're just going to saute that down a little bit with about a 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then once that's cooked down a little bit, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And then we're also going to add some like baby spinach because I had it laying around. I don't know. Just use whatever you want. Honestly, it's just a filling. You can fill egg rolls with whatever you want. Here's some green onions because why not, right? And then we're going to have our little station set up. We have our egg roll wrappers. We have a little water for our flanges, a pan that has been Pamela'd, and then some Pam spray, you know? And we're going to put a scoop in there. And then listen, I don't really know how to roll egg rolls, so like don't judge me, but I'm just rolling it like a burrito kind of. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to dip it in a little bit of water, put it on the corner, and then that is going to help it adhere to itself, right? So it like sticks. And then we're just going to keep on keeping on until we run out of filling. And then we're going to go 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And then while that's going, we'll make our sauce. We got a 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. We got a little cayenne. I like 1/4 teaspoon, a tablespoon of minced garlic. Sorry for the shaky camera. We got a tablespoon of rice vinegar. We have, what do we have? Oh, a teaspoon of lime juice. I'm like waiting. I'm like, let's see what comes next. Just like you guys. Oh, some vegan on honey. This is so good. You guys, this blew my mind. We're going to do about 2 teaspoons of that. Mix it together. And then, oh my God, I'm going to tell you right now, they're super hot. That's why I'm like flopping it around because I like can't handle it. It's so hot. But look at the inside. Oh, and that sauce, delish. I took an extra bite. Full recipe linked below. Subscribe.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.